back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing something different. So this trend, as you guys can see by the title of the video, this trend was started by Hailey Pham, if I'm correct, and Hannah Malosh. They started this like trend almost, and then all these videos exploded of transforming into a VSCO girl for the day or something like that. Those of you that don't know what a VSCO girl is, it's basically just this stereotype or like a stigma that goes with these certain girls that use the app VSCO. I thought this video could be seriously fun to see how it turned out. Anyway, without further ado, I think let's get straight on into this video. Okay, so first, I think let's start off with the outfit. Picked out this like NASA shirt. I got it from the men's section at H&M. NASA is VSCO, so this is what it looks like. It's just like your basic oversized t-shirt. The thing that I saw a lot of when researching this topic, yes guys, I did research it, is Vans, especially the checkered Vans, but I don't have checkered Vans. Your normal old school black Vans. What is up with these dogs? Okay, so now I have both my shoes on. We're gonna move on to hair and makeup. And I researched this. See, I saw the girls wear like this half up, half down, messy bun thing. I attempt to do it, but fun fact, I'm very bad at doing hair. I'm probably just gonna end up wearing my hair down like this, but hey, at least I tried. Don't know if I like how it's turned out. I'm just gonna wear my hair down. On to makeup. So when I was looking at the pictures on Pinterest of like VSCO girls makeup, I mostly saw that they had like this blushy, very natural toned. They wore no eyeshadow, just mascara, a bit of highlighter, bronzer and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I think I'm quickly gonna speed through this. Yay, and now we have iced coffee to complete it. Makeup is done and we're like 1/4 of the way through. Next step is comics. I feel like every VSCO girl has comics. I got mine the other day and I seriously like it. It's a basic lip ice, but it's pretty nice and it's just cool. Right, okay, so these are accessories that VSCO girls have. I don't know where all my scrunchies went, but I have currently 3 with me, and I think I'm gonna go with my black velvet one. So now we have a scrunchie, an Apple Watch. Now I know not everybody has an Apple Watch, but I feel like most VSCO girls have one, and then they put like pretty backgrounds on it. Okay, bracelets and necklaces. I made these and I'll quickly like insert a few videos of how I made them. This is the chevron thread bracelet and it was seriously difficult to make, but I'll leave a link in the description as to which video I used. This was the really simple white beaded necklace that I made. And then lastly, this was just the anklet that I made with the little block letters. This chevron one took me ages. These bracelets with like the words on them. And mine just says okay. But I feel like I'm not cool enough to wear this one. This I made today actually. Let's pop this on. And I also made this bracelet with the same string and this one for my ankles because they also made anklets. Okay, there we go. Next is sunglasses. I feel like these are VSCO. I don't know. They're just my sunglasses that I have, so this is becoming very excessive. Next one is AirPods. Disclaimer, these aren't my AirPods, they're my dad's AirPods that he uses for work. I wish I had AirPods. These are my dad's AirPods. I'm just gonna put them in. There's no music playing, by the way. Okay, and then next is Kunkin backpacks that all the girls are wearing. When I was in Holland, I wanted to buy, well, one of those, and they were seriously expensive, and I wasn't gonna spend half my money on a backpack. This backpack is old, but I feel like it's kind of got a VSCO look to it. Last but not least is to have like a sticker phone case. I just have a clear phone case and then every now and then I place new cutouts in. The very last thing to complete it has actually been behind me the whole time. It's my Polaroid wall and the fairy lights and stuff. I feel like that's very VSCO. We should actually do like a VSCO count and try and count how many times I say VSCO in this video. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel very like excessive, very VSCO. So thank you for joining me. These kinds of videos, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Okay, bye!
She said 9 to 5, I'm killing time, but 24/7, 365, might have to be